Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys step by step how I make my Guyanese chowmein and corned beef. It was so delicious. So I hope you guys gonna enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at Cooking with Acton, right? You guys really need to follow me on TikTok. You guys will see more videos of me on TikTok, alright? So follow me on TikTok. I will leave all the link in the description box down below. And all my measurements and ingredients for this delicious Guyanese chowmein and corned beef, I will also leave that link in the description box down below, alright? And thank you guys so much for watching. So let me just get into the video and show you guys step by step how to make this delicious Guyanese chowmein and corned beef. Enjoy guys. So these are all of my ingredients I'll be using for my Guyanese chowmein and corned beef. I have my corned beef there. I'll also be using some Annie green seasoning. You guys can definitely check her out. All the different supermarkets. Please support her. She's Guyanese. And those are my veggies. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put on a pot of water, and then we're gonna pour in my chowmein. You can break it up into the bag and pour it into the water. I'm gonna give it a stir. Then I'm gonna put in my salt, put a teaspoon of salt, and stir that in. So while my chowmein is boiling there, I'm gonna fry up my corned beef. So I'm gonna put some oil in my pot there, and I'm gonna fry up our carrots, onion, garlic, sweet pepper, shallots, ginger. You're gonna give that a stir. Then I'm gonna put in my wiri pepper. I'm gonna put in some butter and give it a nice flavor. Then I'm gonna pour in my corned beef. Corned beef is so expensive. I love the corned beef, but it's nearly like $1,000 a tin. So expensive. So I'm gonna pour in my spices and my cubes, using 2 cubes, using onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika, all-purpose seasoning, and thyme powder. And you're gonna pour it all over the corned beef, and you're gonna mix it up, give that a stir. And you're gonna let that fry up for a couple of minutes. Then I'm gonna pour in my mustard hot sauce and my garlic sauce. Then I'm gonna pour in some of Annie's green seasoning. Definitely check her out. All the different supermarkets. You're gonna give that a stir. Then I'm gonna put in 1 tin of tomato paste. Stir it in. And my chowmein is finished cooking there, so I'm gonna go and strain it. And then you see I have some butter there, so I'm gonna mix some butter now into my chowmein and let the butter melt. While the chowmein is hot, the butter gonna melt in the chowmein. Then I'm gonna pour in my chowmein seasoning. And then you're gonna give that a mix. Mix. So we're heading over back to our corned beef here. Just gonna give that a stir. You don't want it to burn, so you're gonna just stir it constantly. So now that's finished cooking there. So we're gonna take the chowmein now, and we're gonna pour the chowmein into the corned beef. And you're gonna mix the chowmein into the corned beef. It might take a few minutes because you know you want the corned beef to get all over on the chow mein. So just gonna keep on mixing until everything mix up together. And if you're new to my channel, I just want to thank you guys so much for checking out my video, and thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So after mixing it in for a few minutes, now I'm gonna pour in my sweet corn. This is optional, but I like sweet corn in my chow mein. Then you're gonna give that a mix and make sure all the corn mix up into the chow mein and corned beef. So I'm gonna pour in some more corn and mix it in again. If you guys want, you guys can put bora, or you can put more carrots, whatever you guys want to put, all the veggies you can want to put in your chow mein, you can put. I'm just putting whatever I have in my fridge. Alright guys, so this is the end result for my Guyanese corned beef and chow mein. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Cooking with Afton. Okay guys? Alright. I might taste it on camera and let you guys see. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is my chow mein and corned beef. So let me just taste it and let you guys see. Here it goes. Yummy. This is so good, guys. I really hope you guys try my recipe. It's really good. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. All my measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. Alright, take care. Bye guys.